Greetings from Engramium AI, where we break down AI, automation, and cutting edge tech into simple actionable steps. Okay, now that you know who we are, let's focus on today's topic. In this video, I will show you how to get your free Google Gemini API key so you can start using the power of Gemini in your apps and automations. Let's dive in. Step number 1. Head over to aistudio.google.com. I will leave the link in the description below. After that, click on Get Started. Make sure you are logged in with your Gmail account. Now we are going to select this one. If this is your first time visiting the site, you will be asked to accept terms and conditions. You can choose whether or not to receive email updates. Once you made your selection, click Accept. Now you are inside the AI Studio dashboard. In here, we will get so many options: playground, build, dashboard, documentation, vibe coding app, and so on. But in today's video, we are going to see how to create the API key. In the bottom left corner, click on Get API key. After that, click Create API key. In here, give a descriptive name. For example, this is our test project. Now we are going to choose Create Project and Cool Project. After that, we are going to click Create Project. It will take few seconds, and as you can see, it's already generated the Cool Project. Now we are going to hit Create API key. That's it. Your free API key will be generated instantly. Now you can click Copy API key, which is this button. If you click this one, now it's on your clipboard and you can do whatever you want with it. We have the option for billing and we have the option for uses as well. Uses is really important to be able to access if you are not sure what API key is being used where. Now let's go back to the Get API key, and this is our API key. In here, we will get the option to rename the key. We have the option for the delete the key. Also, we can check the project. We can see the uses, rate limits, spent, logs, and datasets as well. One of the best parts about Google Gemini is that they offer a free plan for accessing API. Unlike many other large language model providers that require you to add credit card before using their API, Gemini lets you get started for free. There are some limitations on the free plan, including rate limits, so it may not be suitable for production level apps or heavy automations. But it's perfect for testing, learning, and building prototypes. If you would like to update your plan, you can go to the settings and you have the billing supports as well. That wraps it up. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe to Engramium for more AI tools, tutorials, and automation strategies. And as always, keep building, keep experimenting, and I will see you in the next video.